Hey workout partners, let's go over installation on the sheetrock wall first for your wall rack, okay? So I have a 1/2 inch piece of sheetrock right here. If you guys have anything thicker than a 1/2 inch of sheetrock, our anchors may not be strong enough for that. You may have to get stronger anchors, that's these pieces here. Now for a sheetrock installation, this is what comes in your kit. You have this white plastic piece here, which is your anchor that goes in the wall first, and then you have a screw and a washer. So the first thing you want to do though is you want to take your rack and put it up against your wall, decide where you want it to be, right? In positioning, and then let's get a level it up so we make sure it's level. And from there, you want to mark up on your wall that corresponds with the holes on the rack. Once we do that, I recommend doing pilot holes in the sheetrock first. You can do that either with a drill, which I did with here. I made 4 holes with a drill. You can really also, if you don't have a drill, you can use a screwdriver, kind of screw it in and then push it through the sheetrock. We'll make a hole. Now from there, now we have to install anchors, the white ones, into each of the holes that you've made the pilot holes. So let's put one in first. I'll put it in the bottom. So it screws into the sheetrock. You guys can see that. I'll stay out of the way. It's going to go through and into the sheetrock, right, all the way until it sits flush with the wall, right? So if we put that in for all of them, I'll just show it for that corner one. You're going to take your screw and the washer, and then now that actually screws into the anchor that you just installed. So simple, and you're going to do this for each of the 4. So of course we put the anchors in first. I'll be able to hold this up with just one. Watch this. I recommend installing, of course you have to install all the anchors first, and then let's put in our screws. It'll look fantastic and it'll hold really well. So there you go, installation on sheetrock. So simple, it'll take you guys about literally like 4 minutes to get it done, and then you'll be ready to rock. So have a great one. Blake Kassel with Bodylastics. You guys take care.